We have a Haas Universal Machining Center, model UMC 750, serial number 1122651. Machine was new in 2015. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Haas CNC control. You have a trunnion table. Spindle is running right now at 4,500 RPM. It goes up to 8,100 RPM. It has 30 inches of X travel, 20 of Y, 20 of Z. You have the trunnion table is 24.8 by 19.7. That's 8,000. That's the highest RPM it goes essentially. You have a 40 ATC Cat 40 tooling. Simulating a tool change. Another one. Okay. Right now Sean's using the remote pendant. That's your X, Y, Z, what's that considered?
That is
your B. And the rotary is considered which axis?
C.
C. All right, you've seen all the axes moving. The machine also has whips. Hey, machine was new in 2015. It's here on our floor in Harrison, New Jersey. Thank you for watching our video.